Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones SHOKZ OpenMove. Firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that, right here at the right headphone we have this power button near to this plug. So firstly we need to turn off it, so press and hold on it until you can see that this LED light start to be red. Here we go. And now we turn off it, so we need to turn on it also, and press and hold again and this power button until this LED light start be blue. Here we go. And now right here we should see that it's reconnect to the phone, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.